नमस्ते, हेलो। 1111 पोर्टल, जिसका हम सबको बेसब्री से इंतज़ार है टू मैनिफेस्ट all that we desire in our life. But you cannot manifest unless and until you do this one ritual, which is for releasing all the negative energies, all the negative mindset, the limiting beliefs that is there within you. जब तक आप पुरानी नेगेटिव एनर्जी जो आपके किसी काम की नहीं है उसे रिलीज़ नहीं करोगे, तब तक नई पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आप नहीं ले पाओगे, एंड यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू मैनिफेस्ट बिकॉज योर नेगेटिव एनर्जीज विल ओवरपावर योर मैनिफेस्टिंग डिज़ायर्स। जैसे हम नए कपड़े लेते हैं तो पुराने निकाल देते हैं जिसकी हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है और अपने कबर्ड में जगह करते हैं नए कपड़ों के लिए। Similarly, we release the negative energies to invite positive energy, new opportunities, and financial abundance in our lives. Namaste, my name is Sonal Kapadia. I'm a spiritual healer and an educator. So let's begin with the process that will help you release all the limiting beliefs and the negative energies from within your mind, body, and soul. First, I'm going to give you a list of the things that you will need for this process. 1. You will need a white candle, lighter or matchbox, 2 sheets of paper, plain paper, unruled ho to acha hai, plain white paper. If you have black and green pens, perfect. If not, a blue pen is also absolutely fine. You will also need, अगर आपके पास सेज है तो that would be very good. अगर सेज नहीं है तो जो even a धूप stick or some अगरबत्तीज is also okay. You will also need a bowl that is fire resistant, जैसे कि एक स्टील का बड़ा सा मीडियम साइज का बोल हो या a metal का bowl, so that because you will be putting something that is burning into that bowl. So these are your ingredients. Next, you will find a place in your house where you can sit and do this ritual undisturbed. A place which you find peaceful, quiet, where you feel there is positive energy. Take all these things and settle down over there in that particular place undisturbed. To create a positive ambience, you can also play some meditative music, soothing music softly in the background. अगर आपको ओम चांट पसंद है तो आप वो भी सॉफ्टली चला सकते हैं. Next, what you have to do is you take the sage or the dhoop or the agarbatti and light it. Then you will take it around yourself anti-clockwise 3 times. And this is basically to release all the negative energies and the negative mindset which is there within you. And you will say that I now willingly release all the negative energies, the limiting beliefs, and the negative mindset from my mind, body, and soul. I am now ready to receive new positive energy, opportunities, and financial abundance in my house. ये हो गया. उसके बाद वो धूप, सेज या अगरबत्ती जो भी आपने जलाया है, take it and go around your entire house, every corner of your house, repeating that I release all the negative energies from my house and make way for positive energies to come in. पूरा घर आपने क्लेंस कर लिया, अपने आप को क्लेंस लिया. Go back and sit down and take your seat, and then close your eyes and focus on what is that which is holding you back, which is creating a blockage in your life to receive financial abundance. Is it fear of losing money if you start your own business? Is it the fear that you are not capable of handling your business? Is it fear of competitors? Is it that you feel you're not good enough for it or that you don't deserve it? जो भी आपका रीज़न हो, वो एक स्टेटमेंट आप वो एक शीट ऑफ पेपर पे ब्लैक या ब्लू पेन से लिखोगे, then you will think of the effect it has on your body when you think of your finances in the future. Are you worried that if I lose all my money, वो panic attack आ रहा है, आपको stress हो रहा है, आपको anxiety हो रही है, you have fear of making money, of losing money, and what effect it has on your body. वो आप लिखिए. Next, is it that you have lost faith in the universe and the higher energy? कि वो आपकी तरफ देखते ही नहीं है, आप कितनी भी मेहनत करो, you just do not get the success that you desire or you deserve. You do not believe in the divine timing. If that is the case, write that third statement on that piece of paper and fold it outwards, outside like this, 1, 2, and 3, and keep it aside. उसके बाद you light your candle and again close your eyes, focus and visualize कि अगर ये जो 3 limiting beliefs है या तो negative energies है which is holding you back, अगर वो आपकी ज़िंदगी में से निकाल दी गई है, it has been taken away from you and there is nothing stopping you from doing what you desire and what you want to achieve. Nothing stopping you from manifesting what you want. What will you feel? What will you have? What will you achieve? Will your business be booming? You will have your own office with a huge staff. You will have so many clients waiting for your appointments. Your bank account is, kind of overflowing. The happiness, the joy, visualize everything clearly with your eyes closed. And then once you are done with that, take the second sheet of paper और जो आपने पहले शीट में लिखा है द नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स, उसके एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट स्टेटमेंट्स आपको इस पेपर पे लिखना है, आइदर विद ग्रीन पेन और विद अ ब्लू पेन, विच एवर यू हैव. ठीक है, वो 3 स्टेटमेंट्स आपने लिखे और अब इस पेपर को आप क्या करेंगे, ये पेपर है, आप उसे इनवर्ड फोल्ड करेंगे 3 times. Okay, and what you will say is that inward fold कर दिया और आप बोलोगे that I am now ready for all the infinite abundance that is flowing towards me, for all the new positive opportunities that are flowing towards me. I am ready to open the financial abundance with open arms and positive energy. इसे आप साइड पे रख दीजिए और जो आपने नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स वाला पेपर फोल्ड किया है उसे उस कैंडल के ऊपर पकड़ के जला दीजिए. लेट इट लाइट अप और जो फायर रेजिस्टेंट बोल है उसमें उसको पूरा जलने दीजिए एंड लेट द एशेस कलेक्ट इन दैट बोल. उसके बाद जो आपने पेपर लिखा है, the ashes that you have collected, you will either flush it out in the toilet. अगर आप उस पेपर को जलाना नहीं चाहते या जला नहीं सकते because of whatever reason, then tear it up into tiny bits of paper pieces and flush it down. Or you can throw it into the garbage outside your house. ठीक है? Then the paper on which you have written the positive statements, what you have to do to that is keep it in a place either on your work desk or by your bedside. और रोज उस 3 स्टेटमेंट्स को आपको 21 times रिपीट करना है, either early morning when you wake up or the last thing when you go to bed. What happens is when you repeat these positive statements, it starts clearing up the negative energies, it starts transforming your subconscious mind और उस स्टेटमेंट्स को हम अपनी ज़िंदगी में रियलिटी में चेंज कर सकते हैं. The more you keep repeating it, the more you start believing in yourself, and the more positive attitude you will get in your life to do what is required to bring in the financial abundance. So this is one very important aspect that we all must do before the 11/11 portal. And then the last affirmation that I want you to repeat is that I am now aligned with the frequency of wealth and abundance and ready to receive financial abundance, new opportunities that are flowing towards me consistently and continuously. This is the part of ritual that you have to do before the 11/11 portal. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel अगर अब तक आपने किया नहीं है. And keep watching and waiting for the new videos. Empowering Lives, Master Sonal Kapadia. Spiritual healer and educator, Om Divinity.